Told me that you don't know what you want. Oh, this whole time you were stringing me along. Now I'm crying, I'm trying to hold it down. Told me now you're less sure than before. What did I do to make you walk and close the door? Oh, the door. Now I'm crying, I'm trying to hold it down. Oh, but I don't know what to do.
Look at the light there. The tones are just stunning. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the one in the middle. Is that what you're seeing?
Look.
Here.
Here. That's what I'm seeing.
Yep. Yep. This beauty here.
That is outrageously good.
Yeah, that is
Fucking
gorgeous.
hell, man.
Absolutely wonderful. And you can simplify it. Simplify it. This gets a bit messy here, doesn't it? Oh, this is absolutely, that light's getting better. Right, folks, I know I've not spoke to you, and I don't know where I'm going to put this in the video, but I have got to get my camera out on this. Look at that for a scene. There's about 3 compositions here, actually. Look at this now, feeding round to the right. Oh, what? Sithee. There's not even headless chicken is a term we could use for this moment. More like, Zolabud's feet. I can't keep up what's happening, the changing of light and atmosphere. And we've just kind of, there was sausage and bacon barms flying everywhere. I even put me, I'm going to sound really middle class here now. My croissant in my pocket. It's not every day you get a squash croissant for your breakfast. I was that excited. We've rushed up here and just moments of, here, let me show you this. Right, I'd love to stop and chat, but when I've calmed down and all this has kind of been burned off, we'll give you an update. But I'm guessing we'll have a few shots at the end. Look at that now. Look at that light changing. My goodness me. So I've just recorded all this to camera about how I found this composition. We've walked up to Low Dam. We've been walking through woods here. We had loads of atmosphere. Just a wonderful start to the morning, but a little bit too frantic for me. And it didn't last at all. I've took the drone up, which you've probably seen, and there was the last of the atmosphere, and then I crashed my drone. But we've walked up about 30 yards from the water. Just show you, there's the path. Beautiful scene. And Mikey stalking a composite, he just spied it out at the corner of his hand, and he's walked from path there and saw this group of birch and then these like spindles in the background. I think Freddie Mercury's over there. Dee-da. Oh, what's going on? Oh, he's lost his dog. Sorry folks, I thought someone was impersonating Freddie Mercury at Wembley Stadium, 1984. Dee-da-da-da-da. Dee-da. Oh, blood.
Brad.
That was my own fault.
Brad.
That was Mikey's dog, Bram. He's only 6 months old, and he's about 12 foot tall. I've not a clue what to say apart from it's a bit of a joyous day. Dappling light. It's still early, it's only after 9. So we've got at least 4 hours of strong, powerful sunshine. Yeah, I know. That's the time to come out, test yourself. It's getting busy as well, so I think we're gonna follow one round here and up over the top. I think I can hear Freddie Mercury's dog now. Right, I just wanted to say that, you know, pop on and just give you a little bit of what's happening where we are. The sound of bumblebees and Freddie Mercury in the distance. Wow, just completely bushwhacking off the track and found something quite unique, I feel. So many beautiful birch, purines, trees, 3 together. I'm going to take a GPS of this, but I really don't know whereabouts we are. And we're just going to keep heading up to this ridge where there's more birch, and quite unique the way some of the trees have grown as well, because there's huge spaces between them. And then as it drops down, they all group together. There's a massive birch going on for as far as the eye can see. There's a composition in front of me here with 3, and then there's one on top of this ridge. There's another group of 3 here. You've got this channel like a dart with one more on its own. There are a couple behind it, and then beyond that, where it looks to me like you're starting into the Helvellyn range. I think, yes it is. So I'm just going to run round. I say run, I probably will. Just quickly check each spot, move around, and then pick out a composition. I quite like this, with this channel, but I feel I need to either get lower or higher. But these 3 here, there's a lot to choose from. So I'm going to leave you, get back to you when we get up on top. Sithee. Got this one birch here hanging on. All his pals have gone. It's completely flattened, and all the trees have been cut down a long time ago. This area is so far away to a place that we're used to seeing. Wetherlam is miles away, and I quite like that. I quite like this distance today, the disconnection to the main part of the Lake District, and finding something new and finding something that I think today I've probably got some of me still up there with me tree shots, let's just say. I think early this morning was very special, but the panic and knowing that that fog and mist was going, I'm not sure if I got the best out of that. A real off the piste ramble where we've come down now into this little valley filled with quite unusual and old birch. Wow, this is a very unique view. Very close, very close. Ooh. Windermere. I haven't a clue where we are. We've just come out up on top of this fell from out of that woodland, and wow. It is a unique view. I've not seen anyone come here before, and I'm guessing possibly because it's very touristy, because you think about it, it'll be heaving down there, but we've seen no one. I think 2 people. And when we was round the time before, a couple of people, and Freddie Mercury was there, wasn't he? But look at this vastness. And there's some trees out there just dotted that I'd like to come back and head over and just pick them out and explore. Love that view. A place to come and contemplate, I think, not so much for photography, but just to come, chill, have a minute, and then head back into the woods, which is what we're going to do now. I'm going to drop down off the side here into the thickness of the woods and pick out what we can in this. It is very strong light. Thankfully, there is a bit of mood and cloud that's just blocking it and should give us quite a subdued feel in the forest floor, in the woodland floor, make it all just a bit more mysterious, which is what I love, that kind of gnarly tree, mysterious shade, beautiful. Right, enough of the sightseeing, look at that, beautiful. I can't see any finer place to finish off this video than where I am right now, surrounded by birch and soft light. Quite moody over in the distance, storm blowing in, but there's just a gentle softness to the light. And I've stuck on the 85 f1.8 and then playing around with depth of field from f16 to f1.8 all the way through, f4, 5.6, f11. And I've seen this delightful little scene. There's just a couple of birch clumped together with a brand new spruce of leaves just round its waist, shall we say. Almost like a little ballerina dress. These spindly legs coming down. And then behind it, it's framed by two more birch. An entourage to the left and right. And a scene that it's quite a lot going on, but I do like these two characters in the middle. So I'm going to step around here, step to the back. So I really like this scene, and we're going to focus on this, and we're going to end the video here because I'm parched. I won't get back, get a brew on. We've been here since, what, 6:30 this morning. We've had fog. We've had bright sunshine, we've now got storm clouds, soft light. Just wonderful to be out in all these changing conditions amongst such beautiful trees. So if you've enjoyed this and you enjoy all my videos, please consider supporting and heading over to Patreon or joining as a YouTube member. That would be wonderful. Also, don't forget to click the like and subscribe. And I can't thank you all enough. 6,010 of you. Wow. Wow. I'll say it again, if you'd have told me this 4 years ago, I wouldn't have believed that I could get to this point. And with so many people who I know with first name, with so many people I know on first name terms, who comment and I chat to, and hopefully get to meet most of you as well. So thank you so much for everyone that's supported me since the beginning and right up to now. And well, I'm overwhelmed, I really am, because it's been beautiful. I hope the shots I've got represent that today. I really, really do. It shows just what we've been walking in and what we've been shooting. So there's only one thing left to say, and that's where's Capspin? You can see where Capspin, where Suntan is. And well, there's only one thing left to say from the big orange tango man, and that's Sithee!
What did I do to make you walk and close the door? Now I'm crying, I'm trying to hold it down. Oh, but I don't know what to do. What do you suggest I do when a person leaves you blue and a person is you? close the door.